Hello anyone, welcome back to my channel. Really quickly, I'm just excited I've got this in the post. I didn't plan on making a video, I'm not organised, but I want to quickly open it and I want to do it on film. So I've set it up. I got my first order from MegaNailSupplies. The other day I jumped on, they stock the CJS clear jelly stamper and I really wanted to try one. So I thought I'll just get on there and buy the famous Big Bling. And then I got totally distracted and I ended up contacting her, Megan Rose, sorry, on Instagram, who runs it. And she was really helpful. I think my order came to like $70 or something. I grabbed a few different things to try. But they've just arrived today. It was 2 days ago. I can't remember what my total is or what the shipping was, but I'll get it open and hopefully there's an invoice in there that'll tell me. I'm really excited. I wanted to open it on camera to get my full reaction. Packaged with pink paper. Oh, so cute. I love it when you see like some beauty places that have like the pink envelopes and they all look really cool. Love the extra effort. Oh yeah, how to clear your stamper. Alright, no invoice, so I can't remember. And I don't have it up. Okay, so my total order came to $68.18 AUD. I did have my sign up, I needed help to get my code, your first sign up code, which she helped me with that, which was, took $10.27 off. But I got the pink Big Bling, which was $14.95. I then got the Clear Jelly Stampers Land Down Under plate, which was $19.95. And then I got 6 of the glitter blends, and they were $5 each, and then you could pay 60 cents per pot for them to pot them rather than come in the little Ziploc bags. 60 cents is, I thought that was really cheap for the pot and for her to do it and label the glitters what they are. But I'm so excited for every single thing. I was pretty keen for the stamper. I've just got, you know, Born Pretty ones or No Brand from eBay. And I mean, they're not amazing. One of them's I'm having luck with, which is very similar shape to this, but the reputation that this has, I'm hoping is so worth it. Look at the packaging, is that not adorable? That is so cute. So pretty. Yes, keep the tissue paper there because it's cute. I love it. It's so pretty. It's much more brighter pink than I thought it was going to be than what it looked like on the website. Oh, hello. Oh, that's clear. Okay, firmer than I thought. And I have seen a lot about that you need to prime them. I'm sure this will tell me something about it. Always clean your stamper. Sure, it'll explain everything. They're really sticky. They're a lot stickier than the other ones I've had. But look at all that. So cute, love. I might do, even though there's plenty of videos on CJS, I might do a beginner's attempt using it for the first time when I get some time to come back to the nail table later on. And then the plate. I was really excited for this. Like, I'm super patriotic about being Australian. I think Australia is amazing. But I was really disappointed, like, when I got back into nails and I couldn't do something for Australia Day. And I looked for plates. There wasn't a whole lot going on. There was a tiny little Conad one that was super expensive for how small it was. I thought about getting that and then I was like, no, I'll bite the bullet. It's Australian. Like, why not? So cool. But I'm a little unsure. I've never done any of the like layered stamping. So I'm a little bit worried about that I'll muck that up. But otherwise I'm really excited. I'm not even going to take the film off until I actually play around with it and clean the plate and everything. But I got that one. And then the glitter blends. These are similar containers. Awesome. As my, what I bought from eBay. I think I bought a bulk lot. I can't remember how many I got, but I only paid a couple of dollars, and I've been trying to pop my Glitter Heavens into there, and I'm just sticking the labels on there because the bags aren't a pain to work with. But I've been putting them in there, and it looks like they're the same style, so awesome. It'll look nice and uniform in the glitter drawer. I might just go for it. Glitter Blendz is Lucky in Love. Oh, I should zoom in. My lighting's not very good. right now. Oh, yeah, see, that always gets in the screw top. Oh, so pretty. I will say, I noticed, like, if you go on Instagram and search glitter Blendz tag, it comes up with a lot from, you know, other countries, and I didn't realise this, but obviously other countries have different things in stock, and a lot of the ones that I love that was tagged weren't on the Australian website for some, on MegaNails, who's the Australian supplier, they weren't on there, so I was a little bit disappointed about that, but I scrolled through all the glitters, and I'm huge on loving glitter mixes at the minute, but I did get one that's not like a full-on mix, but I'm thinking I need to go and get some of just your normal glitters rather than mixes. This one was Champagne Bubbles. Oh, it's really messy. Lucky I kept the tissue paper. See, that said like rose gold, and I was like, it doesn't look very rose goldy to me on the website. That's definitely rose gold. That's beautiful. Oh, it's much messier in the pots than I thought it was going to be. And I mean, they're 5 grams, and Glitter Heavens is 6 to 7 grams. I did use this glitter on my nails already, but I still managed to fit it in the pot really easy. And these are apparently less, and that's spilling everywhere as I'm opening it, so they're heaps full. Alright, we'll keep going. Glitter Blendz Dark of Night. It is less messy in the bag, but it'll be easier to work with like this. Whoa, that's totally different to what I thought. I didn't realise it had all those long, thin things. I wonder if I can scoop all this up on the tissue paper and pour it in to something else as a different mix, because that is dropping stuff everywhere. Glitter Blendz Love Affair. Oh! Ah, that is beautiful. That is so pretty. Oh, that might be the one I used first. Right, then we've got, so cute. It does actually have a bit of shimmer in there. I thought it was all matte. Look at it all in around the edge. Ah, what a mess. Still, love glitter. See, that's what sucks, is if every time you're opening it, you're wasting product. Oh, that's really stuck there. Alright, and then this one was the one that's not like a chunky mix. Gravity. It just looked really unique to all the others. Wasn't like one solid type. Whoa, it's much more purple than I thought it was going to be. Oh, that's beautiful. Super fine. I just thought I'd quickly add, I've just cleaned up all the glitter and put it into an extra pot, but I did notice that it's not very consistent with how full each pot is. It says 5 grams, but I did notice that this one, the Gravity, that isn't a chunky mix, is a lot more emptier than all the others are, so that's a little disappointing, but I guess it probably might still weigh a similar amount. I mean, it's going to be a little bit off, probably not perfect, but I did notice that. Well, that's my quick unboxing haul video from the MegaNailSupplies.com.au. I hope that somebody enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see something where I use the stamper for the first time, or swatch the plate, or something with the glitters, even though I'm not very good when it comes to glitter. I like the look of it, but it is hard to work with. But if you'd like to see any of those videos, please leave a comment down below, and I'll try to do that as one of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!